In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the project binder that gets set up after you create a new project, and we'll look at working with folders and objects. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to create a new project, and it set up a project binder for us with all of these folders. And if we want to create different objects inside these folders, how you do it is you right-click on a folder or any object, and for instance here I can create a new goal, and that opens an editor window where I can edit that goal. Right now it doesn't have a name, so it's called unnamed goal. So maybe my goal here is explain how to bake a delicious cake. Now, it is possible to create multiple goals here. I can also create folders of my own. So maybe I have readability goals, for instance. I can then rearrange things the way that I like. It is also possible for goals to have goals inside them just as if they were folders. So maybe you have a primary goal which has sub-goals. If it's convenient for you to rearrange them that way or put them in folders, it's all up to you. If you don't like something, you can move things to the trash. So I don't really want this, so I can say move objects to trash. This scary window comes up. It just says that if you have connections between objects, when you move things to the trash, then those connections will be broken. We don't have any, so it just goes into the trash. Now, we can always rescue things out of the trash by just dragging them back to where we want them. And we can send them back here. You can empty the trash if you're sure that you don't need those objects anymore, but then once they're gone, you can't get them back. Now, we've seen how you can move objects around the project binder by dragging and dropping them with the mouse, but you should be aware that certain objects only can go in certain folders. So goals, unfortunately, cannot be moved anywhere else but underneath the goals folder. One small problem too with the beta release is that we currently don't support moving stuff directly to the trash by dragging and dropping it, but that should be fixed in the next release.